All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick video on how to change the windshield wipers on 2009 CTS. Go ahead, Marty. Show them how to do it.
2 steps to take it off. You squeeze this and open that up, and then pull down.
Yes, it slides down.
And then that's how you get it off.
Yeah, so it's just like a hook. It's the part number. This is what they look like. You got these from Amazon, right?
Yes, Amazon.
All right, I'll leave a link in the video description.
All right. Opened it up.
All right.
Slide down, and then you gotta slide back up again, like that. And
All right.
slide off the protection, and that should be it.
All right. Do the other side. I already got a video showing you how to change the brakes, so I'll put a link up here. The other way.
I stuck it in the wrong way.
Yeah.
Like
There you go.
Click, and slide the head off. Easy peasy.
That was easy. All right, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.